Oh wow! Look at this, guys! Wow, there are so many animals! What is this? Oh wow! This is zebra!
Live in Ethiopia and northern Kenya. There are three main types of zebra, but the Grevy's zebra has declined in figures.
Nice! And this is tortoise. Cool! Oh, whoa, whoa! Look at this! This is a crab!
It seems a straightforward way to get food.
Nice one! Hey, hey, hey! This is an elephant! Cool, man! Yoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, cheetah!
On the other hand, if they get it right, the rewards are huge.
Nice one! This is the last! Rhinoceros! Cool!